Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush to Discover Boss. So we're here starting the video at Limelight Plaza, right in the middle of Harvard Tree. You have some restaurants over here, Popeye's restaurant as well. So this is the Limelight Plaza. So what we're doing, I'm gonna show you guys one plaza that was recently refurbished, and then an office building that was recently refurbished as well. Not a very big development or a big project, but just wanted to show you guys what's happening nevertheless. So again, Limelight Plaza. Just showing you guys a little bit around the plaza. So a lot of clothes store mainly. Not a big plaza either. And then we know that Eastwood Park Road is right out here. So I'm just go down to this side and turn and come back out. So mainly clothes store. Not a lot of shops over here. I think there's a car mart around the back as well. So you have Fierce by Dre, one of the main clothes store. You have Keys Driving School. And again, some more clothes store. Apple Nation. Yeah. So Limelight Plaza, that's where we're starting, Harvard Tree. Not a very big plaza, not a lot of shops. And then we go on to Eastwood Park Road and on to Molynes Road. Just to show you guys the developments that's happening around the area. St. Andrew Parish Church. Alright, so we'll take this left off Eastwood Park Road and we'll head on to Molynes Road. Alright, so when I reach the plaza, I'll let you guys know. So it's really a refurbished plaza and a refurbished office building. Alright, so this is 5 Molynes Road. This is the refurbished office building right here on the left. And then on the right, almost facing it, would be the refurbished plaza right there that they're currently working at. And it's right next to the popular tire shop right at the top of Molynes Road. I know a lot of persons know that tire shop. Alright, so that's the plaza. Work is still happening. And then this is the office building right here. Alright, I'll show you guys a glimpse of the tire shop. Alright, let's see if we can reverse in this section. Alright, so that's the tire shop over here. I know persons familiar with Kingston would have probably used it. Prior to COVID, it's always open, you know, open for 24 hours. But due to COVID, I know a lot of things has changed. Alright, so let me continue down Molynes. I'll see if I can get a better shot as well of the plaza for you guys. Alright guys, so here you go. So just a better glimpse of the plaza being renovated right at the top of Molynes Road, about 6 or 7 Molynes Road. So they have repainted it, they have put in glass in the middle section and side section. So it's really a facelift that they're doing. So not bad. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts. Share your thoughts, share your comments, and let me know. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back on the road shortly, but just wanted to show you guys what's happening. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back on Molynes Road now. Some form of traffic is always on Molynes Road. I know I'm one of the person that is calling for Molynes Road to be transformed in 4 lanes, similar to Agley Park, similar to Kingston Spring Road. I think Molynes Road deserve it. You know, I think in peak hour the traffic is real crazy. So 4 lanes would really help. I think they already have this space because most of the businesses are, you know, a little distance from the road. So I think the expansion is possible. The road is already wide. So Molynes Road, I believe, should be the next 4 lanes in Kingston, just to help manage the traffic and, you know, manage the increased number of vehicles on the road. We see a lot of apartment complexes, and in most cases each unit for an apartment has 1 or 2 vehicles. So it means that the density of the population is increasing. So other things like sewage, water, road, that has to increase as well, you know, in terms of country and town planning, urban planning and stuff like that. So guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Really appreciate it. Again, it was just a quick glimpse of, you know, 2 development on Molynes Road. Just wanted to show you guys what's happening. Let you guys be aware. As usual, remember to like. And if you watch a few videos now and you haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe as well. So you can support the family, you can support the Raymore Reviews channel. Remember to share as well, that helps YouTube to You know, sharing and liking help YouTube to spread the video to others. It helps the YouTube algorithm, you know, so that new people can find the channel. You know, persons in Jamaica, persons abroad. So thanks to each and everyone that helps the channel to be where it's at. Couldn't have done it without you guys. And again, we're pushing for 10,000 subscriber. I don't think it can happen for this year, just being realistic. But we want to get that done, you know, even in January of next year. You know, we have some good content on the channel, highlighting all the positive and all the, you know, development and growth in Jamaica. So we'd love for more people to be able to see some of the good stuff happening. So each share, each like, each comment, you know, all that will help the channel. Alright, thanks again guys. Molynes Road.